This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Julie Frushel. Stylish, spacious and so chic are just a few of the words to describe this immaculate, maintenance-free pool home. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths with bonus loft make this home easy to live and entertain in. Relax in the screened and lanai and float in the heated pool while enjoying the expansive and tranquil lake and nature preserve views. New roof less than 1 year old, new exterior paint. Kitchen is stunning. Wall was taken down to open to the great room. New stainless steel appliances. Throughout the home there are all new cabinets/vanities with soft close, matching quartz counters, updated lighting, plantation shutters, 5.5-inch baseboards, and fresh interior paint. Vaulted ceilings with high windows bring in loads of natural light. All bathrooms have been tastefully updated to feel like you are being pampered in a spa. Loft is currently set up as an extra sleep space, but can be used as a family room, craft area, office, yoga studio. You decide. Plenty of room for your beach toys and golf gear in the 2-car garage. Location of this home is prime as it is a short walk to the Stoneybrook Golf and Country Club amenities, which include an additional heated pool, spa, fitness rooms, tennis, golf, pro shop, updated clubhouse with full-service restaurant/bar/meeting rooms, bocce court, and a plethora of activities to choose from. This established, gated community has miles of walking/biking trails and is close to all Sarasota has to offer. Legacy Trail, shopping, downtown, local arts scene and award-winning beaches. Welcome to your Florida paradise. For more information, review the details below.